Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy EB. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, now we can start. I know what the title says, and yes, we will get to the sneaker collection, but I have to show y'all what's in this box really quick. So let's get right into it, you feel me? So GOAT sent me a little package. For those of you who don't know, GOAT did this thing for 3 days where they were telling us thank you for our continued purchases or whatever, what have you. And they ended up doing sneakers like the Wave Runners, they did the Sacai's, they did various Jordans. They just did a whole bunch of shoes for a 15% off market value and retail value. So I didn't get lucky on what I wanted. I ended up picking up a little something. The box matches the box, no pun intended. Let me know what y'all think this shoe is right down below. And no, it's not Wave Runners. Let me get to it. So you have the 700, yes sir. You know it's a Yeezy Boost. All right, let's go ahead and see what's inside. My favorite, everyone should know this by now. Pull out box. Yes, the analog 700s. Yo, wait, let me show y'all this. Bro, I didn't realize how smooth this shoe was. Wow. Yo, it has really soft colors. It has your grays, it has beige. The upper is just beautiful. This shoe, low-key, bro, was super slept on. Because what colors do people wear most often? Stuff like this. You don't see people wearing bright blue and orange, and this is so fire. It goes with any. The upper is beautiful. The midsole, nice, has that nice beige. Then you have the sole. It's just a gray. It's almost like a charcoal black gray. You have the boost, of course. You have the suede, of course. This is another addition to the family, so we're getting started off right. I'm not a big Adidas head, but like when I get a nice fresh pair of Adidas, I love them. This is beautiful. My first pair of 700s. Welcome to the family. First, before you do anything, I want to ask you guys to go ahead and subscribe, like, because this is a banger on your hands right now, right here. We have a sneaker collection coming for y'all right now, and I'm going to show y'all a little bit of my kicks, why I like them, and you can see what you're feeling, see what you're not, and maybe you can leave here with some sneakers. I'm just playing. This is not a, it's not a, I'm going to go ahead and open up with some heat. This is like one of my favorite sneakers of all time. It may not be the Chicago ones, but it's a bread toe one. I really treasure this piece. My girlfriend got this for my birthday, I believe. As you'll come to see, like all my like really nice kicks my girlfriend got it. But it's vice versa. We get each other kicks, so hey, don't get mad at me. But I really love this shoe. I love this silhouette. I love how simple it is. I love how the red ties in with all the other colors, and there's a very equal balance. I've seen recently that they're putting out a new blue shoe. I can't remember what one it's called, but I think it's called the blue toe ones, and it's not that great. Like the proportion is weird. The wing is white. Like that looks weird. Like there has to be a balance, and this shoe has that perfect balance. The leather is amazing, and ones are just awesome. Like who doesn't like ones? What can I say about this shoe? This is just a 95. It's just a basic 95 that I got on sale. I actually picked this up when I was still an employee at Finish Line. Now I am not. They let me go. This is not a bad sneaker. It has a really soft pink tone to it. It really vibes in the fall time, the winter time. And I like wearing it with either like wide jeans or rocking it with like a full like athletic fit, like maybe with oversized sweats, oversized sweatshirt. So yeah, these are awesome. I like these a lot. As you will come to find out, I love Nike. Like most of my collection is Nike. I've been trying to spread out to other stuff, even like designer products, but like as of right now, like most of my collection is going to be Nike. So if you are okay with that, stay. If you're not okay with that, stay and check out what sneakers I have. Come on now. Yes, I have the all white G Fazos, the Air Force Ones, the go-tos, the beaters. Yes, I have these. Everybody should have a pair of these. Mine are actually a little messed up. And what I learned about these is you don't clean them, you just replace them. These are my go-to. Like if I'm having a chill day, I'm throwing these on. Look at those straps. My Velcro all black Vans. I picked these over the white laces because they're just nice. Not everybody has these and they're just clean. Like as you can see, these are a little dirty. I've been wearing them a lot and I haven't cleaned any of my sneakers since quarantine. I saw Vans the other day. They put out another pair, a restock pair, so I might have to cop these. These only come out every 3 years, so it's like super mandatory that they're in my collection. I've grown to love them and I just need to keep fueling them. It's kind of like an Air Force One for me, so like I have to keep getting these. I'm not a huge Vans fan, but like the Vans that I do like, I have to continue to cop. The Blue Lagoon Air Max Pluses. Bro, let me tell you about this shoe. When I got this shoe, I spent my last on this. Like I had the option to either be hungry, and I chose to get these. That'll show you how big of a sneakerhead I am, even though I don't have like crazy shoes. Like that'll show you how much I love sneakers if I'm willing to cop a GR to replace food. I mean, I still have money in my savings account, but like my checkings account was like utterly depleted when I copped these. And these are beautiful. Look at that. Look at the highlighting. Look at the color gradient. Like these are beautiful with the yellow, the small Nike sign. Like I just love wearing them, and they just go with so much if you wear them correctly. I know it's like a bright blue, but if you wear these right, they are nice. And I really appreciate the pull-out box. That's so classic. I appreciate this box in general. It has, so for all the OG Air Max Pluses, they go ahead and throw the colorway on the box. So for the sunset ones, you'll see the orange to red gradient. And then for the purple ones, you'll see like the purple like background. This kind of almost looks purple, but it's blue. But yeah, I love this box. I appreciate it so much. It's really different from the regular like orange, red Nike boxes that you see. The Nike Air Max 270s. Yes, I love Air Maxes. Sue me. Like, bro, like I love Air Maxes. Let me know down below what your favorite Air Max is. Write down in the comments, let me know down below what your favorite Air Max is. Make sure you like and subscribe this video. I love sharing my shoe collection with you guys, so I want to keep doing it. I actually have a part 2 for this video. Let me know if you want that right now down below. I don't know what compelled me to get these. These are not bad. Trust me, they're not bad. They're comfortable. I like wearing them, but I don't wear them that often. They're just a cool little trainer shoe that you could throw on if you need to go take out the trash, grab some groceries, run an errand. So like these are a nice shoe, and this is probably one of the best colorways with, oh, they're a little dirty, with the gold. So that's why I like these a lot. These I actually messed with heavy. I wish they were the actual OG shattered backboards, the highs, but hey, the lows are just as good. Well, not just as good, but up there. I don't wear it that often. I'm looking to wear it more just because it's springtime and we're going to summer. It has these really popping orange colors, but this is my only low. The only low that I've ever wanted as much as this one is the Eric Costner ones, the UNC SB low ones. And those are the only ones that I wanted as much as these. One thing I do not like about these shoes is on the tongue, it has the little Jordan sign instead of the Nike tag that comes down right there usually on lows or on ones, period. Yeah, these are nice. They're solid shoe. Not made of leather. The suede kinda, but hey, it's nice. I love this shoe. It's different from every CDG shoe that everybody else ever gets. Comme des garçons. I never know how to say that correctly. I feel like it's such an exquisite brand name. Comme des garçons. I hate just saying CDG. Wow. But these are nice with the mini hearts all over. Not that many people have them, although you can get them whenever. I just don't see that many people who have them. Correct me if I'm wrong. One problem I do have with these is they're Converse. Like I literally have to tie them every single time. As you saw from my other shoes, I didn't have to continue to relace them every time I wore them because I had them factory laced. Another Air Max. I remember when these first came out, I texted my girlfriend. I was like, yo, look at these. These are crazy. They're the barcode 97s. Look at that. Bottom, you can't really see. It's kind of dirty, but it has like, oh, wait, what's on this one? Okay, there we go. So this one says, thank you for your order. And then this one has like a little barcode, the Nike shipping barcode. I haven't been showing you guys the laces, but this one comes with like 2 extra laces. But yeah, I thought these were so cool. I still think they're cool. I still think they're unique. The material is so different. It's almost like packaging material. It feels like an envelope. And then you have like, I believe this is suede or nubuck, but you just have all different sorts of materials on here. You have this, it's just crazy. It's a crazy shoe. I wear it sometimes. It's kind of hard to wear, but since I like to wear a lot of neutral tones, it kind of goes with like, you have some simple stuff and then bam, these shoes. Like I said, I love Air Maxes. Please, please, please let me know what your favorite Air Max is. My favorite Air Max has been the 97s. I have like 3-4 pairs of those. So they're just such a nice silhouette in my opinion. We have another pull-out box. This is a 350. That's the only hint I'm giving you. And go ahead and guess what this shoe is right now. It's the Zebras, yes sir, yes sir. Quick story on this shoe, I'm actually about to sell it. I think I'm about to sell it, and I think I'm about to pick up the Wave Runners instead. I love this shoe, but I just can't, I don't wear it. I don't wear it enough. It's super comfortable. This is one of the most comfortable shoes I have in my arsenal, in my entire collection, but it's just pretty loud. And it's not even loud to the point that it's bad, because it's pretty basic colorways, but it's just, I don't wear it. I don't wear it that often. I'm not a huge fan of the 350 silhouette anymore. I used to be big on it. Lately been into the 500s and the 700s, but yeah, I'm not a huge fan of this, so I want to get rid of it. It's a size 13 if anybody wants to buy it. Kanye's a genius. I just heard that recently he became a billionaire, so hats off to Kanye. Love your shoes, love what you're doing in the music industry, but yeah, this one's gotta go. Let me know down below what your favorite Yeezy is. Make sure if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and leave a like, leave a subscribe. If you're new to the channel, keep coming back for more and more content such as this. Another pull-out box. Bro, these are my favorite boxes. If I ever got to design a shoe with Nike, I'm going straight with this box. The shoe could be completely garbage, but I'm still going to pick this box because, bro, I am in love with packaging. You can ask anyone. If something looks nice, I'm going to have it, even if it's the worst product. I actually recently just got these. I like the soft orange pastel colorways they got going on the box. Yeah, I know I'm going crazy talking about the box a lot, but hey, Jerry Lorenzo is a genius. Like I told you guys in my last video, I love him. Yes, sir. Hey, shout out, I don't have to say too much about this one. Shout out to Jerry Lorenzo. Look, shout out to Jerry Lorenzo. Look at it. Yeah, you know what's going on. And this is yet another piece by him. As you can see, this is a Fear of God Skylon 2. Wow, that's good. It says recrafted on the inside. I haven't even seen this. I'm learning new things. So cool. Wait a second, let me show you guys this. Recrafted, look at that. Basically, I love this shoe. It's awesome. It's just a simple white colorway. You have the lace lock right here. You don't see that often anymore, only on J's. You have a lace lock. The tongue is made out of leather, which is kind of uncomfortable like in the summertime, but it's definitely a winter shoe. It's very smooth. You can wear it with a lot because it's so plain and so simple, so versatile. And bro, I really like it. I just recently got it. Nike did a restock and I was on top of that because I got my girlfriend these. I didn't have a pair. They're only on StockX and Go, and obviously I did not want to pay aftermarket prices. But yeah, I had to cop these. I love Jerry Lorenzo. That's all you need to know. The Yacht Club Vans, bro. Yes, I still have the tag on it. That's trendy, apparently. Or it was. I was in love with these when they first came out. I don't wear them as often. I still like them a lot and I'm willing to wear them. I don't wear them as often. Now that it's spring, I might throw them on more just because of all the spring colors you got here. You got a red on the tongue, you have blue on the toe box, you have green on the upper, the yellow, the white midsole. So like, this is an excellent, beautiful shoe. And it continued to sell out and sell out when it first came out, but it's died down as of now. I do do like this shoe a lot, but it's not like, I'm not crazy about them, if that makes sense. Next shoe is this all white M2K. I actually love these shoes. They're super comfortable, but the crazy thing is I used to hate these shoes. I couldn't stand the sight of them. They just are a classic dad shoe, and I was just like, these are ugly, but I actually wore these yesterday. Well, not yesterday from the time that you guys are viewing this. Yesterday from the time that I'm making this video. So yesterday from the raw footage, not yesterday from the export to YouTube. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, all that. I love this shoe now. And it's hard not to like a all white shoe, but just because of how clunky and big it was, I was like, bleh. I actually made a poll about how bad these shoes were, and it was like a tie. But now, bro, I would wear these anytime, anywhere. Quick story on this shoe. I actually got this shoe from Finish Line for like 20 bucks. Like, they had the shoe on Nike for $100, and I got it for 20 bucks. Finish Line has all these weird sales, like randomly, where they're just like, yo, we have like 50 to 80% sale off. Come check it out. And the site is like not working, and I somehow got through, got these bad boys, and I was super excited. Last shoe on the list.